All right, welcome to Talking Investing. I am Tom, and as always, this is not financial advice. Today, I'd like to go through the Bitcoin miners. I want to compare their year-to-date price action, and I also want to compare their rebound off of their 2022 lows until their current price. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and of course, please smash the like button. Feel free to leave a comment below. Also, you will see in our pinned comment a link to our free Discord. We just went over 500 people. We'd love to have you join us. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin miners' performance, and I want to explain what this chart is doing for now. I've listed their low, so this is not the 12-month low. This is starting January 1st, 2022 through the present. We're basically through the first 3 months now. I've listed the date of their low, and then I've listed their current price and what the percent changes, and then I've ranked them in order. So I'm going to take it from the bottom. This is number 17 through 11. And again, I'm tracking 17 of these. I know there are more out there. So GRI is one of the ones that just bottomed out a couple weeks ago. It took out its January 24th low and then its February 24th low as well. And it got down to $7.01. It's at $8.21 right now. So that's up 17%. That's the lowest out of all of them. Stronghold bottomed out on January 24th, which was the most common occurrence. You'll see about 10 or 12 of these bottomed out on January 24th. At $7.26, it's up to $9.20, so that's a 27% increase. HUT got down to $4.52 on January 24th. It's now up to $5.90. That's a 31% increase, so that's 15th place. DMG blockchain got down to about 36 cents on February 24th, and now it's at about 48 cents. That's up 32% in 14th place. Bitfarms got down to $2.75. It's up to $3.73. That's a 36% increase. That puts them in 13th place. This is Argo blockchain traded on the NASDAQ, so you guys may have different numbers depending on what you're looking at. So they bottomed out on the NASDAQ at $7.25. They are now at $9.92, up 37%. At number 11 is Bit Digital. That bottomed out at $2.74, again on 3/15, so just a few weeks ago. It's now up to $3.79, up 38%. That is number 11. Now let's count down the top 10. And you're going to see from 17th place to first place, there is a monumental difference. And there tends to be a few groupings. These bottom 11 are kind of in the last place group so far. Now, that does not mean they're the worst Bitcoin miners. I'm going to talk about what this means because there's different ways to interpret this data. Right now, I'm just showing you what's happened. So number 10 is Hive. Hive got down to $1.50 on January 24th. It's now at $2.12. That's 41% increase. DigiHost got down to $2.44 on January 24th. That is now at $3.47. That's up 42% in 9th place. Core Scientific got down to $5.82. That was on January 24th, once again. It is now at $8.60, up 48%. That's 8th place. Marathon hit a low of $19.43. It's back up to $28.89 as of Friday. So that is a 49% increase. That is in 7th place. Cypher is at number 6. So Cypher was $2.33 on February 24th. It's now trading at $3.62. That's up 55%. That is in 6th place overall. Riot got down to $12.90 on January 24th, 2022. It's now trading at $20.76. That's up 61%. Okay, Iris was at $8.55 on January 24th. It is now at $14.39. That's up 68%. Coming in at number 3 is Mawson. They were at $2.95 at the bottom on March 7th, so just a few weeks ago, and they're now at $5.05, up 71%. I will tell you on a personal note, I'm not invested in this. I waited too long. I missed my window. We'll see if I get another chance. But number 2 is Wolf. Wolf also bottomed out on the same day as Mawson on 3/7. That hit $4.03. It's currently trading at $9.05. That is up 125% just from 3 weeks ago. So this has had a massive run up. But we're going to look at something next because a few of these numbers are a little bit misleading. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper than this. Before we get to number 1, I'll just let you know we're going to look at the year-to-date activity and measure how everybody's done since January 1st, because some of these have taken a crazy ride. And coming in first place is CleanSpark. CleanSpark was down to $5.47 on January 24th. It's now $12.68. This number seems truly incredible to me. I cannot believe it got down to $5.47. A lot of these numbers probably seem incredible to all of us that they were trading this low in the year 2022. I think we all thought everybody would be much further ahead of this at this point, but this is where everybody is right now. Now I want to add a component and I want to show you what they've done year to date. So when I drop in the year to dates, you're going to see there's one that just absolutely stands out all on its own. It's in first place by a mile. Okay, so here they are, the year to date numbers. So you're going to see coming in at number one, CleanSpark was number one off of its low at 132% increase. CleanSpark is also number one off of its year-end high. So as of January 1st or December 31st closing, CleanSpark was $9.52. It's up 33%. You will see this is the only green number on the list. All of the other Bitcoin miners are down on the year, and some of them are down quite a bit. So you guys have probably heard me talking about CleanSpark, but this is why. Their performance year to date has been spectacular. So again, this is not financial advice. You guys kind of have to decide what that means. Does that mean they're the best miner and they're going to keep going and continue the run? Or does that mean they've run up ahead of everybody else and there may be some bargains lower down the list? So I think there's both. I'm going to reshuffle the list, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to average these numbers. So in other words, CleanSpark came in first off of its lows and in first off of its highs. So as you can guess, when I reshuffle them, CleanSpark's going to be in first. But some others are going to move up the list. Okay, here they are all reshuffled. So in my opinion, there's 4 of these that stand out from a performance standpoint this year to date. And again, this is from January 1st, 2022 to March 25th, 2022. Number one, obviously CleanSpark. I mean, that one's not even close. It's the only one up at all on the year, and it's up 33%. Number two, I have Iris. They're up 68% off of their lows, and they're only down 11% on the year. So if you balance the two of those out, I have them in second place overall. Next, I have Riot. They're up 61% off of their lows, and they're only down 7% on the year. That's actually second place year to date, and they're getting very close to caught up to zero. And you'll see some of these others have a long way to go just to get back to where they were at the beginning of the year. And then the fourth one that stands out, in my opinion, is Marathon. It's up 49% off of its lows, and it's only down 12% on the year. Full disclosure, these are some of the ones that I own that I think have a lot of upside left. They have underperformed for different reasons. So these are some of my heavier investments. My highest conviction investments are CleanSpark is one of them. Riot is another one. So those are the ones near the top of the list that are nice positions that have done very well. However, so my biggest position is Bitfarms. This is 13th from its low, and it's 13th year to date. So this is still down 26% on the year. I think Bitfarms' operational updates on a monthly basis have been very good. They're mining a lot of Bitcoin. They're going to report their financial statements on Monday, so for the year 2021. So I'm not expecting any big surprises. And you can see this is underperformance big time, in my opinion, to be at 13th on the list. I believe that this is one of the best miners. Right below it is Hut 8. This is another one that I have a very high conviction in. It's 15th on the list when comparing its recovery from its low, and it's 11th on the list year to date, still down almost 25%. So this is another one. Hut 8, they're doing a lot of good things. Their operational reports have been great. They're very transparent. They're getting into some new lines of revenue. So I'm very impressed with everything that they're doing, yet they lag. They're very near the bottom of this list. So to me, these are two that I hold decent positions in, and they have drastically underperformed. And I know a lot of people have positions down here at the bottom at some of these that have so far underperformed for the year. The only thing I can say is look at CleanSpark and Marathon and Riot, and you can see some of these do eventually kick in. I think the ones that I'm mentioning will catch up. They're running behind some of the other leading Bitcoin miners as far as stock performance goes, not necessarily operational performance, and they're really actually even running behind what Bitcoin is doing. So I think Bitfarms and Hut 8 will catch up quite a bit. So, if I didn't mention yours, that doesn't mean it's not a great stock. Take a look at where these are on the list and you can decide for yourself. And really the bottom line is, other than CleanSpark, everything on this entire list is down on the year. And most of these are down 20 or 30 or 40%. So I think the stock will catch up to the operations. That's my analysis on what the miners have done, what the stocks of the miners have done so far on a year-to-date basis. I hope this was helpful. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.